Take a look. Well, well, well. What do we have here? It's Saturday. We got Emoneyshoes. Mr. Kale for back up in this thing with a quick review on these shoes. Don't give I can't talk. Don't forget to go check out the home team, PMKICKZ, MCFLYKOF, and the 6313 Retro Queen. We're gonna be back up in this thing for y'all on September 12th. Mark it on y'all calendar. Next week we should be having the pairings so y'all can get those brackets out. But real quick, let's get into this. Y'all weren't gonna cop these, but check the sources. I'm over here International Marketplace. You can see this is a very, very nice box. I love the presentation. Jordan brand, not bad, not bad. Kind of got that sky look, heavenly look, right, with that white. But the real question is, do these rub off? I don't know see anybody brave enough to actually rub it off, because if you do the pattern reveals, right, all of that stuff. But as you can see, this is a PP personal pair, Fisher colorway, stone blue, legend blue. Suggested retail price $190 them things. $190 them things. You see, you got the QR code and all of that good stuff right there. Y'all ready? No, and for you guys, for the receipt police, you see $155 I paid for these joints. So yes, I did get them for on the retail. So let's pull them out. Let's get a real good look at these things. I don't know whether they may do a better detailed look on these, whether they fall between the Obsidian 12s and the International 12, right? You see that? You should like that. You got this paper here. You got a nice little card right here. That's pretty good. That's a dope touch on the shoe. But we're gonna get into the shoe real quick, right? Real quick, and then we're gonna go a little later, so you get a real good look on the shoe. And I always like to say we do a spin a Rooney for the wrestling fans out there. Shout out to Booker T. And as you can see right off the rip, the materials is different. So you already know this shoe is gonna rub out. It's a little bit kind of, the thing is similar to the Wings 5, but nobody is brave enough to do the wipe out. So me, I guess I'm just gonna do natural wear and live through somebody else brave enough to wipe this off. As we already know, this having inspired by the Japanese flag, right? With all that different stuff. That's why you got this part right here, another Tinker shoe, all of that good stuff. Underneath the bottom, right, you got your herringbone traction, 23 carbon fiber chain plate, white, little bit of glue you can see right there. But like I said, pretty much the blue all the way up here. 2-3 traditional. Then you got your baby jump man. You got your baby jump man on the eyelets. Jump man here. Your reptilian materials right here. Turn around on the butt. This is always the most critical part on a Jordan. They always get this back tab wrong for some reason. This one is not too bad, a little bit crooked, but I guess the kids or whoever do this, after so many doing this, kind of get cockeyed, right? So hey, it is what it is, right? You can see Jumpman, you got a little crack and a full stomach, G, and you can see the leather, got a little tumble rumble in there, and just like that. So not a bad shoe, not a bad shoe. I thought it'd be 200, so it is 190, which is good, and you get a better presentation for the shoe. And as you can see, you always get that shoe tree, 10, 10 and a half. You get the indigo blue inside. So I don't know, still waiting. Probably gonna change the laces. That blue is all right, but I definitely think white will make these joints pop. So you guys leave a comment suggestion below. Like I said, I'm probably gonna do another more in-depth view so you guys can actually see what the shoe looks like compared to the other shoe. Like I said, I'm in the parking lot and say, hey, it is what it is. Yeah, sorry about the noise. Yep. So y'all can get the chance to see what the shoe is. So yeah, nice material. Hopefully it's something very dope underneath. Inquiring minds want to know. Probably would have been really good to get some of them across the waters and do a test run, but nobody want to screw up their actual shoe. So hey, it is what it is. Dope shoe. I would give it about a 4.5 out of 5. Nothing really overwhelming, but just a very, very clean shoe. You guys let me know what you think in the comment suggestion below. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. We on the way to 7,500. You feel me? It's Emoneyshoes, Mr. KO4. I'm out. Peace.